everyone, welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. John Fernandes sacked as GPCC President, Luizinho Faleiro new state chief. Luizinho accepts offers after meeting Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday. Government's mining policy confusing, no clarity on restarting of operations. Goa Mining People's Front decides to meet CM and PM for clarity. Derailed goods train on Konkan Railway route paralyzes train traffic. Goa-Mumbai trains diverted. Many cancelled efforts on to get traffic back on track. High Court directs Panji Police to verify names of office bearers of Congress, BJP and CISA Goa in foreign funding case. Panji Police registers FIR. Truck operators of Dabar annoyed with CISA Sterlite. Claim company engaged trucks from outside. Locals claim Panchayat promised them first preference. And former India captain Baichung Bhutia tips Delhi Dynamos and FC Goa for success in first edition of Indian Super League. Now the news in detail. Finally, John Fernandes has been sacked as GPCC President. Senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister of Goa, Luizinho Faleiro, is the new state Congress chief. All India Congress Committee issued the order late on Tuesday evening. John has been ousted within 10 months of his appointment. AICC sacked John following numerous complaints from senior state Congress leaders.
AICC appointed Luizinho Faleiro as GPCC President on Tuesday. The order was issued following a number of complaints by senior Congress leaders from the state, including opposition leader Pratap Singh Rani. John has been sacked when he was completing appointment of new block committees of the party. AICC sources told Prudent that Luizinho Faleiro will arrive in Goa on Wednesday. He met Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday morning. Mrs. Gandhi discussed Goa's situation with Faleiro. Faleiro accepted Sonia's offer of taking charge of Goa. John was appointed as GPCC President on 18 December. He was ousted before completing 10 months in office. Luizinho Faleiro was desk in charge of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. He has stayed away from Goa politics after Churchill Alamau defeated him in Naveli in 2007. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government's mining policy has created confusion. The policy does not mention when exactly mining will begin in the state. Goa Mining People's Front wants the government to come clear on the policy. They want to meet Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The front held meeting with the stakeholders on Tuesday. Next meeting is scheduled on 13th October.
No, we are absolutely confused. Confused in the sense disappointed that there is no proper quick and proper incisive decision. It's all a very, Naroba Kunjaroba kind of an approach by the government, which we are disappointed.
Front says Prime Minister Narendra Modi had assured to start mining within 48 days of his government formation. Now the front has planned to meet Parrikar and Modi demanding clarification on the policy.
We presume that soon after he comes to Goa, that he will hit the road running and he will hold a meeting and allay the fears, the kind of anxieties, the questions which we all have, the mining stakeholders and the people dependent on mining, including workers, have before us. In the back-to-back, we have also decided to write a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. We are very clear that a letter has to go to the Prime Minister. We are also asking the Prime Minister that a delegation comprising of around 10 to 15 members would like to call on him and to apprise him about the situation, and also to call upon the government of India that they have to do everything to kickstart the mining operations in Goa.
The front will continue its consultative meetings. Its definite timeline to restart mining operation is still unclear. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Konkan railway route has once again hit a roadblock as 12 bogies of goods train derailed on Chiplun-Kamate route on Tuesday morning. Traffic has been paralyzed since 7:45 on Tuesday morning. Trains running on Goa-Mumbai route are diverted. Few trains including Mandovi Express and Jan Shatabdi Express have been cancelled. Work was in progress till late evening.
Train mishaps on Konkan railway route have become too frequent in the recent past. Again on Tuesday morning, a good-carrying train of Konkan railway derailed between Chiplun and Kamate route. Incident occurred at around 7:45. 12 bogies went off the track. Luckily, no casualties were reported. The derailment has damaged the track. Goa-Mumbai train traffic has come to a standstill since Tuesday morning after this accident. Many trains have been diverted while few are cancelled, including Mandovi Express and Jana Shatabdi Express.
Due to derailment of loaded goods train between Chiplun and Kamte stations of Konkan Railway, which happened today morning at 7:45 hours. The trains which have been cancelled are up and down Mandovi Express, that is CSTM to Madgaon and Madgaon CSTM. Both Mandovi Express of today have been cancelled. Then 12051, 12052, that's up and down Jan Shatabdi Express running between Madgaon Dadar and Dadar Madgaon have been cancelled. Then train number 50106, that is Sawantwadi Diva passenger, has been cancelled. Train number 50104 Ratnagiri Dadar has been cancelled. Then train number 50105 Diva Madgaon passenger has been cancelled.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
High Court has directed Panji Police to verify names of office bearers of Congress, BJP and Sesa Goa Company in foreign funding case. Panji Police have registered a FIR against the parties for accepting foreign funding from Sesa Goa. Meanwhile, Goa government has informed the High Court that following orders of Panji JMFC Court, FIR has been registered in dual citizenship matter except two MLAs, Kaitu Silva and Glenn Tiklo.
Following Panji JMFC Court's order, police have registered FIR against the office bearers of Congress and BJP and also the director of Sesa Goa Company. State government contended that Panji police is handicapped to probe the case because, as per related law, only Union Home Ministry can investigate such matters. In reply, the petitioner in person, Kashinath Shetty, contended that both the Congress and BJP have received illegal foreign funds as donation amounting to 5 crores each from Sesa Goa. It is a subsidiary of UK-based mining company Vedanta Resources. Shetty also contended that FIR should have been registered against the persons whom he had named in his related complaint. After hearing both the sides, High Court has directed the state government to verify the names of office bearers of Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party and Sesa Goa Company and file a report within 8 weeks. Meanwhile, the Goa government also informed the High Court that it has complied the order of Panji JMFC Court to register FIR in dual citizenship matter. Government further contended that Crime Branch has registered FIR against all accused except two MLAs, Glenn Tiklo and Kaitu Silva, as both the MLAs have got interim relief from the High Court. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.